This is video number 4 of the double knit snowflake sweater. I'm going to show you how to do increases on the sleeve. Another thing that I'm doing on this sweater is I am doing what we call a twisted yarn technique right on the front edge, so that when it's all done, I have a channel here all the way up to insert the zipper. So that's how that's done. That way the sweater, with a reversible zipper, the sweater can be completely reversible. So there you can see both sides of the body of the sweater. All right, we're going to go and do an increase. Work the first pair. I'm doing this on a row where I haven't done any chart work changes for the last couple rows, so that when I pull from below, I'm not pulling a stitch of the opposite color. On this left-sided increase, I'm going one below, pulling that loop one below up onto the left needle, knitting that stitch, pull the yarn to the front, then I go to the back side and I'm going to take that stitch of the opposite color that's one below, put that on the needle, and then purl that with the opposite color. So that is my increase on this side. Then I would work all the way around. I'm going to show the decrease to you right here just so that we don't have to work all the way around, but I would work all the way around to the very last stitch, the one I'm going to increase into, but we're going to do it right here. So you work on the right-sided increase, you work the stitch that you're increasing into. You work the stitch, and then you take the loop that is 2 loops down. So not the one on the needle, not the one that's 1, but the one that's 2 loops down, and you knit into that one. Then on the back side, with the yarn in the front, you're going to pick up the stitch that's 2 loops down, turn around, and purl into that one, and that is your increase. So in this way we are increasing. I'm going to take that one out because I don't want an increase right there. So I would go all the way back around to this last stitch here, and that would be the one that I would increase into. And after knitting this, I would have the second loop that I would pull would be this one right here. So that is how that is done. Excuse me there. Watch for the next video in this series will be number 5, and it will be on how to add the sleeves to the body of the sweater. That will be video number 5.